Oh my gosh, you guys, it has been a minute. I have a Glossier review. This actually gonna be a first impressions of the new Future Dew product. If you guys don't know, I'm a Glossier rep. I have a ton of videos reviewing Glossier products from the last 3 years. I haven't done one in a while. I do need to catch up. I think I stopped right before the eye cream came out, so I am due for some review. But I'm out here in New York and I got to come visit the flagship store to get a peep at Future Dew. So I want to show you guys it, but first, look at how cute. I bought this for Oliver and Diego, my 2 dogs. I have 3 dogs, but 2 actually play with toys. And this is the Glossier Boy Brow toy. So cute. I kept thinking of Diego. He's the Snorky Schnauzer Yorkie mix and he has these insane brows. And I'm like, cute. Not that it would really do much, but yes. And then also, this is so cool. They now have sample packs of Cloud Paint. Cloud Paint is my absolute favorite Glossier product. And if you've never tried it, now you can try a little sample. And Dawn is my favorite. Dawn and Storm. All right, so now for a first impressions of Glossier Super Dew. It's an oil hybrid and it's supposed to give you that moisturized, glowy look that you get after you moisturize your face, but give it to you all day long. It's an oil serum emulsion packed with nourishing oils that aren't greasy and brightening plant-based extracts to deliver that instant lasting glow. So it is the final step to your skincare routine, and you can also apply it over makeup. So I'm going to wash my face right now. I have a tinted moisturizer and a little bit of concealer, so I'm going to wash my face and do my skincare routine, and then we're gonna apply this, and then I will apply it post makeup. So I'll show you guys what it looks like without makeup. I'll go in front of the natural light. I'm in artificial light right now, so I'll go in front of the window so you guys can see the glow, and then I'll wear it over makeup and show you guys what that glow looks like, and then I'll share how it lasts all day. So let me go wash this face off. So I want to share one of my favorite makeup removers is actually Milky Jelly. I could not find my little sample bottle, so I always used to order these sample packs before they came out with their travel size, and I found some before I left. So I love it for removing mascara and anything extra. It just kind of melts away my makeup. I don't like this as a face wash though. It's not as cleansing for me. I have acne prone sensitive skin, quite oily, and it doesn't do that for me. So I love it as my first step. So I just wanted to share that as I remove my makeup right now.
Time to run it all. I wake up. Yeah. I wake up, flex, thumb down that check. No drip, this wet. Tell them run it up. No sleep.
All right, so I think the packaging is so cute. Little iridescent bottle, pink top, very Glossier, but just a little bit more elevated and chic. I'm so impressed with how much they've evolved, but it's so cute. It is 1 fluid ounce, 30 ml. And it says to apply 2 pumps all over your face as a last step in your skincare routine. So I've already moisturized my face, sunscreen, and put eye cream on. Hydrate those under eye babies. And yeah, and then you can put on the high points of your face for the extra glow. This is what the product looks like. Kind of pinky tone. It kind of smells like olive oil to me, if that sounds weird, but it, ooh, blends in very seamlessly. Let me tell you what it's made of because I have the breakdown. So it is hyperallergenic, dermatologist tested, cruelty-free, vegan, and non-comedogenic. It's made with jojoba grapeseed, which is probably why I smell olive oil. It's not olive oil, but it's what grapeseed oil smells like. Evening primrose and rose hips to provide instant dewy effect while delivering vital moisture. So my skin definitely looks really glowy. It feels moisturized. It doesn't feel heavy or thick or greasy, for sure. It doesn't feel greasy. It also has Evodia ruta carpa extract, fruit extract known to enhance brightness. I feel like I look bright and glowy. It has sugarcane squalane. Squalane, which is an ingredient that helps lock in moisture. I feel like I'm locked and loaded for sure. Squalane is actually, I feel like, a really cool up and coming ingredient. I just received Ouai's body cream, which smells divine. It smells so good, you guys. I thought it smelled like La Mer, but it kind of reminds me of Bulgari's body lotion. Just saying, it smells divine and bougie. And this also has light reflecting minerals to give skin tones an immediate glow. So I definitely feel glowy and look glowy for sure. I'm gonna go show you guys what it looks like under natural light, since like I said, it's artificial. And I'll be sure to post pricing right here, so if you guys are interested in ordering it. But let's go see what it looks like in the daylight. Okay, this is my skin with Future Dew. It feels so supple. I feel so glowy and moisturized. I use a serum as my moisturizer just because I have very sensitive skin, and I like that this makes it feel like I put a really rich moisturizer on that's not greasy, but I look like I'm hydrated. Look at this. So glowy, super dewy for sure. And now I'm gonna go apply my makeup and I'll show you guys. This glow right now. It doesn't feel greasy. It feels just really soft and supple. I like that glowy look for sure. So I know some people probably don't like the look. It doesn't feel like you would think, but I like it a lot. So I'm putting my primer on, and now I'm just gonna do my makeup, and I'll show you guys how it looks with makeup and kind of circle back as I'm out around the city today, and let you guys know how it settles in.
Some down now, check, no drip this, tell 'em run it up, no sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch, tell 'em run it up, I wake up, flex, thumb down now, check, no drip this, tell 'em run it up, no sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch, tell 'em run it up. 9 out of 10 roll through my hands, I'm by my lonely, turn to a savage, now my baby wants to hold me.
So makeup is done. I love how moisturized my skin looks super supple. You know, when you've been eating well, drinking your water, it looks like it. So now I'm going to add a little bit more Future Dew to the high points of my cheeks right here. I didn't do any highlighter because I wanted to try this out. I'm sure there's so many fun makeup tricks you can use this for. Little on my nose, and I just love that it adds a dew but made with just really nourishing ingredients. So I'm gonna go through my day and I'll let you guys know my final thoughts on Future Dew. Alright you guys, I am back. Was out in New York, wanted to see how this Future Dew settled in. And I have to say, my skin still feels and looks very hydrated, dewy, and glowy. I really like that. It just feels and looks really healthy. Like even just touching, I don't want to touch like my full face, but like when I put it under here, it just feels so nice and conditioned and hydrated. So I definitely dug it. It also didn't really irritate my skin or anything, which is nice. I have very sensitive skin, and I think, wouldn't say you absolutely need to go buy this product, but I really like how it made my skin feel very hydrated and moisturized, and I think this will be another addition, especially as the season's changing. You know, your skin gets drier and flaky, and this is supposed to be just like a longer lasting hydration, locks in that moisture, gives you a dewy look all day long. I think giving you that dewy look with the ingredients that it did, it really definitely feels conditioned and hydrated. So I really like it. I would say try it out if you are interested. It's very nice. So I'm looking forward to continue trying this and experimenting with this. Definitely excited to see how it works with makeup and how you can use it in different ways. So hope you guys liked this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos from me, be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.